So we have made video about Oh Boy and Gambian Child and Pasalu also. So this video is about ST Become Boyo. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna take you live here in Social Blade for not to waste time. This video is for educational purpose. So what you're gonna do is like when you open Social Blade like this one, you can write this one and Social Blade, you will see it. It will give you this platform in the screen, and here you can select any social media or you want. Then I prefer YouTube. So you came here and income. So write ST Brikama Boyo and you enter and you search it. It will give you any information that you want to know about this person. This is the fake one, you see. ST Gambian Dream. It is like that because so many people also like to copy and here's okay. So here is the ST Brikama Boyo himself with 99,000 subscribers. This is the if channel. If you want, you can just click here. If you want, you can click the picture. So let me show you also here. Okay, so this is ST Brikama Boyo Gambian Dream. As you all see, he is the one. Okay, he is having 48 videos with 98,900 and something subscribers and 512,161 video views. That is quite good. That is a big thing. Okay, so he created his channel in 2010, and here is the Social Blade rank is 326,737. Okay, and 9,878 subscribe ranks. Video view ranks is 389,000 to 349. Okay, music rank is 2,000, so don't worry about the rest. Okay, this is how your channel will be growing and you can be making big income. So let's get into the point and see exactly what and how much ST Gambian Dream make from YouTube. And this is the truth. I don't bring all this information by myself, but it is given by YouTube or Google. I don't know which one is it. Okay, so this is what ST Gambian Dream make from YouTube. This is what Social Blade have give us, but maybe he also earned more than what they saw us in this website here. It's from 169 euro to 2,700 euro. That's what they said that ST used to make. Okay, so estimated yearly earning is from 2,000 euro to 32,000. That's what he get from YouTube. This is a good information that can give you more hope to to go and follow also your own dream. So here also what you get is like 7 to 105, 6 to 89, 6 to 95 euro a day, 9 euro to 148 a day. Okay, daily average altogether here you can see also 6 euro to 90 euro. Weekly average is 39 to 630 euro. Monthly is 169 to 2,700 euro. That's what ST Gambian Dream used to make. The subscribers are quite good also, from 5,000 to 1,500, and the viewers, daily views. Okay, so this is it. This is what you were looking for. This is how I also try to get the information as you people also trying to watch it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Just share this information so that you people also can have more interest in what is coming for also. Thanks for watching and thanks